Hi everyone, welcome back to DYOR. Today we will show you how to replace the front and rear cameras on the Samsung Galaxy S21 5G mobile phone. First, need proper tools to open the device, which are listed in the description. Next, turn off the phone and remove the SIM tray, and then begin the back cover removal process. To remove the back cover, gently heat the edges to soften the adhesive. For this, we are using a heating pad. Place the back side on the heating pad and select the mobile phone heating option and leave it till the process complete. Alternatively, you can use a heat gun or hair dryer to warm the edges. Be careful not to overheat, as this can damage internal components or the back cover. Next, use a suction cup to create a small gap along the edge of the back cover. The ideal place to use the suction cup is at the bottom of the cover. Gently lift the cover using a suction cup and then carefully insert a plastic cup pry tool into the gap and slide it around the edges to cut the adhesive. This process will take time and be gentle with the internal components. Always use the tip of the tool to free the adhesive. Once the adhesive is free, gently lift and remove the back cover from the body. Next, undo the 5 screws holding the wireless pad. Next, gently pry the wireless pad from the bottom and then fold the board cover to a 90-degree angle from the top. Next, disconnect the battery plug and then unplug the wireless pad connector from the logic board. Now you can free the wireless pad from the body. Next, remove the network in front and rear cameras from the body. First, undo the 7 screws securing the earpiece speaker bracket. And then disconnect the plug and gently pry the unit from the body. Next, disconnect and pull the faulty front camera from the body. Next, remove the logic board from the body. First, undo the screw and then disconnect the 7 connector plugs from the board. And then gently remove the logic board from the body. Next, flip the logic board to access the cameras. First, disconnect and remove the faulty ultra-wide camera. And then disconnect the 2-in-1 telephoto and wide camera plugs from the logic board. Next, place and secure the new 2-in-1 telephoto and wide camera unit into the board. and then secure the new ultrawide camera to the board. Next, gently place the logic board on the body. And then secure it by adding the screw. Next, secure the 7 connector plugs to the board. Next, place and secure the new front camera to the logic board. Next, place the speaker with the bracket and then secure it by adding the 7 screws and the plug. Next, place the wireless pad and connect the plug to the logic board. Next, secure the battery plug. Next, secure the wireless pad by adding 5 screws. Next, before installing the main back cover, ensure it has enough glue. If not, use B7000 glue or new double-sided back cover adhesive. Finally, secure the rear cover to the body using bonding clips. If bonding clips are not available, you can use rubber bands to apply even pressure. Leave them for some time to ensure proper bonding. Hope you have enjoyed the repair guide. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments. Please like, share and subscribe for more repair guides.